Well, I'm not gonna lie, this one's a weird one. Yeah, it's off season for us racing folks here in Indiana, and I got a lot of time on my hands to make these videos really weird. Well, besides working on the car, which is, I guess it's build season, but this one's a little odd. So, if you don't like it, that's cool. If you like it, that's cool. Kind of fits in with some of the other weird ones I've done. So, if you're familiar with my work, then you won't be disappointed.
Firebird 2000.
This wasn't an easy decision for me. I've spent several years thinking this over and over to myself, and I love my open trailer. I loved having the car out to where I could see it going down the road, and other people could see it, and I'd get thumbs up and waves and things, and that was cool. But it's a lot of work, and I do this by myself, and I'm not getting any younger. And I only went to the track 3 times last year because I would come home from my day job and I would just be too tired to even prepare the day before to load up and get ready to go. And having an enclosed trailer is going to save me a lot of time and effort and energy. I'm going to miss my open trailer thoroughly, but I'm excited to start this new chapter with this guy. There is a lot of trailer manufacturing just a few hours north of where I live in Indiana, but it is still much cheaper to drive out of state to buy one. Hence the 2.5-hour trip from my home in Indiana to Troy, Ohio. Well, here is my new trailer. I am the proud owner of it at this point. I won't bore you with the buying process. If you've ever bought anything like this, you know how it goes. I made quite the change. I went from a homemade manufactured 1967 open car trailer to a 2024 quality cargo 20 foot by 8.5 foot wide enclosed car trailer. Now I'm just kind of hanging out and waiting for this customer to move their red Tundra so I can hook up and head out. We are currently inside my brand new enclosed trailer. Oh yeah. So here's a picture of me that they took after I became the proud new owner, and here we are. I made a quick stop just down the road to make sure everything was okay before I made the 2.5 hour trip back home to Indiana. I passed this statue on my way to Ohio and then on my way back home to Indiana, and I thought, well, it's right in the middle of this very busy road, and I thought, I'm going to look up and see what it's about. It's a Civil War monument, and it's located in Pleasant Hill, Ohio, and it has been there since 1895. I watched enough Dukes of Hazzard as a kid that I've got this. Are they racing this weekend? Wow, I didn't think they were.
In a quarter mile, slight right on East.
Muncie! Once I was back at my house, I kind of yard jobbed it in kind of the area where I thought I was going to end up parking it, and thought I'd do a little walk around of my open trailer, one last time. And as you can see, the squirrels have made use of it, even though I have not this season. So I left the trailer yard jobbed for a few days while I did some other stuff, and when I got a chance to get back to it, one of the first things I had to do was trim the shrubs back. And it's kind of funny, over the years I've trimmed these back and back and back, and there's not a whole lot left of them, but we'll hang on to what's there until they need to be trimmed again. Initially, my plan was to park it parallel to our existing concrete driveway, but once I tried that and left it there for a few days, Charlene and I both decided that we didn't like it. It was too close to the drive that we were coming in and out of, and too close to the house. So I went back to the angled idea. Gravel delivery day was actually on my 50th birthday. My employer gives us the day off paid for our birthday, and so with it being unseasonably warm for late October, I think it was in the 80s, I took advantage of that and had Morris Trucking and Landscaping, they squeezed me in and brought me some gravel. No, I do have a lot of plans for inside of here. Right now you can see it's just kind of just bare wood, and I want to get that painted, and I want to add some LED lights up above and mount my winch in here. But right now it's December in Indiana, and the high today was like 26 degrees, so it's not really conducive to painting. So that's gonna have to wait till springtime. But I've got it, and I'm collecting stuff for it, so I'm kind of excited. But yep, it's all fresh and clean.